CHGG Stock Analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very short and brief 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm the only person in this space with 40,000 videos made. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors, but I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and I do have the data to back up my claim. Unironically, it was a supply zone. Supply zone taps means that only if there is some sort of a double break, I'm going to look to take things further down, right? That does not mean that I'm just going to come out here swinging out of nowhere, out of nowhere and then start buying randomly. No. But like when I do see the price pumping up as such, it's going to mark up the top. I'm going to mark up the demand zone here. And then only if I see it crashing down and actually giving me some sort of a double break, then only then I'm going to buy. Again, randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.